Now let's look at how to display your customer reviews on any page of your store using the epicSnap Reviews widget. This widget lets you place reviews anywhere on your site using a simple drag-and-drop setup. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. In this guide, you'll first set things up here in epicSnap. Then switch to your BigCommerce store to place the widget on your page. Let's get started. From the epicSnap submenu, click On-Site Widgets. Under the Order Reviews Carousel section, you can add a reviews widget to your store pages so shoppers can see real customer feedback as they explore your site. Before making changes, you can click the Preview button to see a sample of how the widget may appear on your store. This gives you a helpful reference as you set things up. Under Number of Reviews to load, choose how many total reviews you'd like to display in the widget. The widget will display your latest, highest-rated reviews to highlight positive customer experiences. Once you've chosen your preferred number, click Save to apply your changes. Next, click the Add to Page Builder button. This makes the widget available inside your BigCommerce page builder. If the button shows Remove from Page Builder instead, it means the widget is already available and ready to use. Now, switch to your BigCommerce store. From your dashboard, click View Storefront to open your website. Once your storefront is open, navigate to the page where you'd like to display the reviews. On that page, click Design this page in Page Builder at the top right to open the editor. Inside Page Builder, go to the left panel and look for the Custom section. Then, find the epicSnap Reviews widget. Now, look at the page layout. You'll see highlighted sections showing where widgets can be placed. Choose a section that best fits where you'd like your reviews to appear on the page. Then, drag and drop the epicSnap Reviews widget into your selected area. Once the widget is placed, its settings will appear in the left panel. Here, you can customize how the widget appears on your page. You can update the heading text, adjust the colors, and choose how many reviews appear at a time. If you've selected more than 4 reviews in epicSnap, you may see them all displayed at first. This will automatically switch to a carousel view once the page is saved or published. As you make changes, you'll see them reflected on the widget preview. If you'd like to remove the widget from the page, select it and click the trash icon. When you're done, click Save, then Publish, and confirm to make the widget visible on your live store. If you need to remove the widget from your store entirely, you can do that from the On-Site Widgets page in epicSnap. As a quick tip, try placing your review widget on key pages, like your home page or pages where customers are considering a purchase, to help build trust and encourage more sales. If you ever need help, click the Get Help button at the top right. Epic is always ready to guide you. And if you'd like a demo or need extra support, feel free to email support@epicshops.com.